How to start an online business for free. I'm going to give you 3 business models that you can start, and we're starting right now. What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 different business models that you can start and start for free. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, this is StackinProfit, and I bring out videos showing you how to make money with nothing more than an internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So 3 business models that you can start and literally start for free. Now the first one, you probably know what I'm going to say, and that is eBay dropshipping. Now if you don't know much about eBay dropshipping or you want to learn more, then click that card in the right hand corner and you can go through and watch some training that I have on my channel. So eBay dropshipping, it's a great business model to start if you have no money. Now all we essentially do is find products on retailers. You can use Amazon, there's so many different retailers you can use, but we find products, we list them on eBay, we mark them up, then every time it sells here on eBay, we take that money that our customer has paid us, go straight to our retailer, buy the product and have it shipped straight to our customer. And you keep the profit in between. Really simple, you can start this for free and it's not going to cost you anything. Again, if you want some in-depth training on how you can do this, then click that card in the right hand corner and go through and watch that. So that's the first way, eBay dropshipping. The second way is YouTube and affiliate marketing. So let me show you an example of this. Now this is my channel, this is a video I created on how to create passive income with a little money. Now in this video I talk about Amazon KDP, that's selling low content books, and in the description, if we go just here, this is a link to an affiliate product. So let's just open that up for a minute. So if anyone watches this video, which is now on YouTube forever, goes through my link and buys this course on Amazon KDP, then I'll make a commission. And it was completely free to do this, because to become an affiliate is free and to upload videos to YouTube is completely free as well. As your channel grows, so does your income. So if you carry on doing affiliate marketing with YouTube, over time, the more videos you do, the more stuff you promote, then the bigger your income will be. That's another reason why this is a great business model to start. And again, you can do this one for free as well. So that's my second. My third way is Amazon KDP and selling low content books. So this is Kindle Direct Publishing. As you probably know, if you've been watching my videos, you can create low content books and sell them on here. So what's a low content book? So that's books like notebooks, sketchbooks, planners, journals. There's so many different types of low content books that you can create for free and sell them on the Amazon marketplace. So this is an example of a low content book. This is just a notebook. Now if we have a little look at this, zoom out, you can see a cover like this. You can easily create this in Canva. Then if we scroll through the book, you can see that this is just lined paper. And you can completely make all of this for free. So to make your covers, you can use Canva. Canva is completely free to sign up. You don't need any graphic design experience at all, and you can make some good looking covers. You can also create the interior of the book just using Canva as well, or you can use something like Google Slides to make that lined paper, as you can see here. So as you can see, to create these low content books, you can do it completely for free, upload it to Amazon KDP and start making sales. Now, if you have any questions about any of these businesses, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you. And also, when it comes to Amazon KDP and selling these low content books, I do have a course coming out in the new year, so keep an eye out for that if you're interested. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.